In the age of AI, the most valuable skill is not coding, not marketing, and most people are ignoring it. What if the most valuable skill today isn't coding or marketing? Many people spend years chasing trendy skills. They believe mastering one tool will secure their future. But history tells a very different story. The people who lasted the longest were adaptable thinkers. Leonardo da Vinci wasn't just a painter. He connected ideas from art, anatomy, and engineering. Benjamin Franklin moved between science and politics. Richard Feynman used physics thinking to explain complex ideas. Even modern innovators combine knowledge from many fields. Their power wasn't just skill, it was adaptability. They could connect ideas across domains. This ability is incredibly valuable today, and it may be the most future-proof skill you can develop. For decades, the world rewarded specialization. You learned one skill and stayed there for years. But today, the world changes faster than ever. Artificial intelligence can process information instantly. Skills can become outdated in just a few years. Knowledge itself is not the problem. The problem is knowledge without adaptability. The best thinkers move knowledge between fields. This ability is called transferable intelligence. It means applying ideas in new situations. Transferable intelligence can be trained. The first step is learning how to learn. Great learners reflect on information deeply. They constantly ask better questions. They search for patterns behind ideas. Exploring different fields strengthens creativity. Even small exposure to new topics helps your brain grow. Mental models are another powerful tool. Mental models explain how the world works. Physics teaches cause and effect. Biology teaches adaptation. Psychology reveals human bias. Economics explains incentives. When your brain collects models, it becomes flexible. Another key skill is adaptive problem solving. This means solving problems in new ways. Richard Feynman often simplified complex ideas. Explaining ideas simply reveals true understanding. This strengthens cognitive flexibility. Cognitive flexibility helps your brain shift perspectives. Another habit of elite learners is iteration. They learn, apply, reflect, and improve constantly. Their thinking evolves over time. The ability to connect ideas will always matter, because adaptable thinkers will always thrive.